Hello YouTube, my name is Sam. Thank you so much for 100+ subscribers, but this isn't the video about that. Today, we're going to be modifying your Marvel Legends Carnage. Now, if you don't have a Marvel Legends Carnage and you collect Marvel Legends, he's a pretty good figure. If you don't have any Marvel Legends and you, for example, have Legos, this could work for your Lego Carnage too. The materials you need a pair of scissors, an action figure, obviously, and some bendy wire. Which in this case is red because Carnage is red. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna get a huge portion of the bendy wire, just like so. Yep, that's messy. Hold on. Alright, after you went through hell itself, you finally get long enough. Jesus Christ, this doesn't even fit the camera. Okay. Next step is to cut the bendy wire. Now we're gonna go to the base that you can't see it, but you can see it. Get out of the camera stand, damn it. We're just gonna go right. Let me snip. All right. Now we're done with the scissors. We could put that away, and now you got this long bendy wire. Now to make it Carnage related, all we're gonna do is simply bend it like this, to where both sides are meeting at the end, and then since it's Carnage, we just twist it all the way to the end. This is it's sort of a short process. It shouldn't take very long. So like right here, we go to the end to twist that there. Then we go here because this wasn't properly twisted. All you gotta do is just twist it. You gotta twist this end right here. You can't see anything. It's all my hands. Oh well. And then you twist this part right here, and then you get yourself this. Oh, and that's not supposed to look like that. That's supposed to look like this. So once you've done all of that, you could go to the side that has two. You could straighten this out, make it look a little better, like so. Now you get a little bit of symbiote. So after that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this off of him, because this is pretty cool, but we want the bendy wire one. And you just plug it in like so. And this is only an example, so it could be a little loose. Yep, it's falling down. Okay. But you can see it looks way better, and you could pose it, you could articulate it. Look, and it's staying in place. So let me stand you up real quick. Oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. You fall down, that's fine. But like, just stay up. Just stay up. Here. Alright. Now I'm gonna do 3 more of these, but just to show you all 4. Alright, I did 3 more off camera, and as you can see, I plugged it into the back. That's a squeaky chair, and it's a mess there. But I'm at a loss for words. You could basically articulate it however you would like, and it works good, and you could plug it off whenever you feel like it. And if you have more bendy wire right here, you could make a whole new batch, but this works just fine. So let me put this back on him again. Alright, I got all those tendrils back on. So yeah, it looks better than this, and you could actually articulate them however you like. So you could also do this with a black suited Spider-Man. You just need black bendy wire. You could also do this with Spider-Man. All you need is give me white bendy wire. So bendy wire is pretty cool. Hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a like. And if you have this figure and you use this tutorial, tell me in the comment section below how it went. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.